Hello everyone, let's welcome to the solution of logical reasoning problem number 7. So let's begin. Our first condition is Pepsi is between Sprite and Coke. So let's try to draw it quickly. The second condition is the amount of Sprite is more than the amount of Pepsi but lesser than that of Coke. Okay, then our drawing is ready. Here we can see Sprite is more than Pepsi but less than Coke. See, so we have drawn it as accurately as possible. Let's go to the second last condition, that the bottle with Coke is between the bottles containing 0.6 liter and 1 liter. So it is for sure that Coke is between two bottles, so there has to be another bottle here. And right now we are not concerned with how much soft drink they have, but this we can infer from that second last condition, that Coke is between two bottles. So let's draw another bottle as quickly as possible. Okay, then now we are ready with our last bottle. So this is Limca, because Limca was left in our list, so this has to be Limca. Okay, let's move on. Okay, our third condition is Limca is not in bottle R. So this bottle cannot be R according to the third condition. The fourth condition is the bottle containing 2.2 liter of soft drinks doesn't have Limca. So this bottle cannot have 2.2 liters of soft drink. So 2.2 liters of soft drink. Okay, this bottle cannot have 2.2 liters of soft drink. This is according to the condition number 4. So one of these bottles is having 2.2 liters of soft drink. Now, which one of them we still don't know yet. So let's move on. Okay, our fifth condition is bottle R contains more amount than bottle P, and this cannot be bottle R, because according to the condition number 3, this cannot be bottle R. So bottle R has to be one of these. And okay, let's tag it R, and if this is R, there is a possibility that this can be P. Now there is another condition that if this is R, there is another possibility that this condition is P, because P is always less than R. It is written in the condition number 5. The bottle R contains more amount than P. R contains more amount than P. If this is R, this can be P. If this is R, this can be P. Now there is another last possibility, is that if this is R, then this can be P. So we have three conditions: A, B, C. Now if we look at condition B, that is the second condition, if we observe it closely, then we will find that P is at first position and R is at third position, and by the naming convention PQRS, we can put Q here and S here. So this is this arrangement is fulfilling the naming convention. So we'll stick with this, and let's erase this and rename these bottles. And it is also mentioned in the question that 4 bottles PQ, R and S are arranged side by side. So this naming convention is fulfilling all the condition. So this should be the naming condition. Sprite should be P, Pepsi should be Q, Coke should be R, and Limca should be S. Okay, let's move on. The difference between the amount contained by Limca and Sprite is 0.6. So let's create the equation. L minus S is equal to 0.6. That means Limca minus Sprite is 0.6. Or there is another equation, S minus L is equal to 0.6. Okay, we are going to use this equation, because using this equation will give erroneous results. It will give errors. So you can try it out. But okay, for saving time, I am going to use this equation. Okay, so we are left with this correct equation. We couldn't have used that previous one, because if we would have used that previous equation, that would have given some contradicting values of Sprite. If we put the values of Limca from here, so we will use this equation. Before using this equation, let me come back to second last condition, that the bottle with Coke is between bottles containing 0.6 and 1 liter. So Coke is between 0.6 liter bottle and 1 liter bottle. There is another way we can create that this combination if we put 1 here and 0.6 here. So now we have got two conditions. So here from Limca, if we put Limca 1 here, then so for this data we are having Sprite as 1.6 and the Coke which is left is 2.2 because it is mentioned in the question. Okay, so I think our solution is complete. We are going to use this set of data. Why? Because in the last condition it is said that the bottle S doesn't contain Coke and doesn't have the least amount of soft drink. So in first condition it is having the least amount of soft drink. So we will not use this data, we'll stick with this condition, the second one. So our answer is complete. This is our solution. We are going to then Sprite, there is 1.6 liter of Sprite, 0.6 liter of Pepsi, 2.2 liter of Coke and 1 liter of Limca. This is our solution and the names are PQRS as it is. Thank you. This is the solution. You're welcome.